Welcome to Defense and Tech World. In today's episode, we explore one of the most advanced air-launched strike weapons in modern warfare, the Joint Strike Missile, better known as the JSM. This powerful and stealthy missile is the result of cutting-edge Norwegian engineering combined with advanced operational flexibility, designed to dominate both land and sea targets with precision and survivability. Developed by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, the Joint Strike Missile represents Norway's most ambitious and advanced missile program to date. It is an evolution of the renowned Naval Strike Missile, or NSM, which has already proven its effectiveness in maritime strike missions. However, the JSM was specifically designed to be launched from aircraft, expanding its reach far beyond naval operations. The goal was clear: to give fighter aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II, F/A-18 Hornet, and F-15E Strike Eagle the ability to strike heavily defended targets with extreme accuracy, all while staying beyond the reach of enemy air defenses. The story of the JSM began in the mid-2000s, when Norway realized that its Royal Norwegian Air Force would eventually transition to the F-35 stealth fighter. While the F-35 offered unmatched stealth and sensor capabilities, Norway wanted to ensure it also had a long-range precision strike weapon suitable for its demanding operational environment, especially across the country's rugged coastline and the Arctic region. The result was a collaboration between Kongsberg and the Norwegian Ministry of Defense to create an air-launched variant of the NSM, optimized for the internal weapons bay of the F-35. Unlike many existing missiles, the Joint Strike Missile was built from the ground up with stealth, versatility, and smart targeting in mind. Its compact size, lightweight composite materials, and low radar cross-section make it nearly invisible to radar systems. The JSM can be carried both externally and internally by fighter jets, but when loaded into the F-35's internal bay, it allows the aircraft to maintain its full stealth profile, a massive advantage in contested airspace. In terms of design, the JSM measures about 4 meters in length and weighs around 416 kilograms. It features a turbojet engine that provides an impressive range of over 500 kilometers, allowing pilots to engage targets from standoff distances well beyond enemy air defense zones. The missile's design also incorporates foldable wings and tail fins, enabling it to fit neatly inside the compact internal weapons bays of stealth aircraft. The guidance system is one of the key strengths of the JSM. It uses a combination of advanced GPS, inertial navigation, and terrain following capabilities. But the true game changer is its imaging infrared seeker, an autonomous system capable of recognizing targets based on their thermal signatures and shapes. This allows the missile to identify and lock onto specific targets even in GPS-denied environments or under heavy electronic jamming. The onboard target recognition software can distinguish between ships, vehicles, and other structures, ensuring maximum precision and minimal collateral damage. Another unique feature is the JSM's ability to perform evasive maneuvers during flight. It can fly at low altitudes, hugging the terrain to avoid radar detection, or take unpredictable routes that make it extremely difficult for enemy defenses to intercept. Combined with its low radar signature and intelligent guidance, the JSM is among the hardest missiles in the world to shoot down. But what truly sets the JSM apart from traditional cruise missiles is its dual-role capability. It can strike both land-based and sea-based targets with equal effectiveness. This flexibility makes it ideal for modern, multi-domain warfare, where threats can emerge from anywhere, whether it's a warship at sea or a command bunker deep inland. Operationally, the Joint Strike Missile gives fighter pilots new strategic options. Because of its long range, aircraft can launch the JSM without entering heavily defended airspace. Once launched, the missile can autonomously navigate toward the target, adjusting its flight path as necessary based on terrain and threat detection. It can even communicate back to the aircraft or other command systems to confirm target identification or mission status. When approaching the target area, the JSM's terminal phase is where it truly shows its intelligence. The seeker scans the battlefield, comparing what it sees to stored target images in its memory. This allows it to select the correct target, for example, choosing a specific ship among a group, and strike with pinpoint precision. The high-explosive fragmentation warhead is designed to deliver maximum damage against both hardened and soft targets, ensuring mission success with a single strike. The JSM's integration with the F-35 was a critical design goal. Kongsberg worked closely with Lockheed Martin to ensure that the missile could be carried internally in the F-35A and F-35C variants, maintaining stealth capability. The F-35's advanced sensors and data fusion systems can share targeting information directly with the JSM, allowing the missile to make real-time adjustments during flight. This synergy between missile and aircraft creates a powerful strike capability unmatched by any previous generation of weapons. In addition to the F-35, the JSM can also be carried by other platforms such as the F-A-18, F-15, F-16, and even future unmanned combat aerial vehicles. This makes it a versatile weapon not only for Norway but also for allied nations seeking advanced strike options compatible with NATO systems. The missile has undergone extensive testing, both in Norway and internationally. In 2018, it successfully completed flight trials in the United States, where it demonstrated its ability to be launched from an F-16 and accurately hit designated targets at long ranges. These trials confirmed that the JSM met all performance expectations, paving the way for full integration into the F-35 program. In terms of strategic importance, the Joint Strike Missile enhances deterrence and defense capabilities for any nation operating it. It enables small air forces to project power over large distances, strike high-value targets, and operate effectively in both open ocean and complex terrain environments. For Norway, it represents a key component of national defense and a symbol of advanced Scandinavian technology. Internationally, several countries have shown strong interest in the JSM. The United States, Australia, and Japan are among the nations that have explored or adopted the missile for their F-35 fleets. Japan, in particular, has decided to equip its F-35s with the JSM to strengthen its maritime strike capabilities amid growing regional security challenges. From a technological perspective, the JSM is a step forward in precision warfare. It represents how modern military engineering is moving toward multi-role, networked, and intelligent weapon systems that can operate independently and adaptively in the battlefield. The combination of stealth, range, and smart guidance ensures that the Joint Strike Missile will remain a relevant and formidable weapon well into the future. In essence, the JSM is not just a missile, it's a statement of what modern warfare has become: fast, precise, and data-driven. It allows pilots to engage critical targets from a safe distance, using stealth and intelligence rather than sheer firepower. With the integration of the JSM, aircraft like the F-35 truly become complete strike platforms, capable of taking on both maritime and land threats in a single mission. As we move into an era where technology defines superiority on the battlefield, systems like the Joint Strike Missile are leading the way. They embody the blend of innovation, precision, and flexibility that modern air forces demand. From Norway's fjords to global battlefields, the JSM is shaping the future of precision strike capability, quietly, intelligently, and with deadly accuracy. Thank you for watching Defense and Tech World. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Joint Strike Missile, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world's most advanced defense technologies. Stay tuned for our next video, where we continue exploring the cutting edge of military innovation.